Welcome to Lesson 4.1, What You Should Never Do. In this lesson, we'll explore behaviors that are strictly prohibited in the digital world, why they're dangerous, and how you can protect yourself while staying ethical online. Our goal today is to understand prohibited digital behaviors, recognize the consequences of unethical actions, and learn practical tips to stay safe online. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to navigate the digital space responsibly, safeguarding both your personal information and your reputation. Prohibited behaviors. There are certain actions in the digital world that are considered unethical or illegal. These include hacking, scraping private data without consent, unauthorized access to systems, and targeted harassment. Each of these behaviors not only harms individuals but can also have serious consequences for society as a whole. Let's start with hacking. Hacking is the illegal manipulation of computer systems or networks to exploit vulnerabilities. Even if it seems like a technical challenge, hacking has serious legal repercussions. Understanding what it is and why it's prohibited is essential for anyone navigating today's digital landscape. Private data scraping. Private data scraping involves collecting personal information from people without their permission. This practice violates privacy and can be used for malicious purposes, like identity theft or scams. Recognizing and avoiding such behavior is a key part of ethical digital conduct. Unauthorized access. Unauthorized access occurs when someone enters systems, accounts, or data they are not allowed to use. Even if you think it's harmless, it can create serious legal and ethical problems. Respecting digital boundaries is crucial to maintain trust and security online. Targeted harassment. Targeted harassment is a growing concern in the online world. It includes cyberbullying, threats, and abusive behavior aimed at specific individuals. The emotional and psychological effects on victims can be severe, which is why it's so important to recognize and avoid this behavior, and to foster a safer online environment. Real-world consequences. Unethical digital actions don't just exist in theory, they have real consequences. From legal penalties to damaged reputations, activities like hacking or unauthorized access can lead to serious personal and societal repercussions. Being aware of these risks helps us make smarter, safer choices online. So, what can you do to stay safe and ethical online? Use strong and unique passwords, respect other people's privacy, and always verify the accuracy of information before sharing. These small but essential steps help protect not just yourself, but the wider digital community. In summary, ethical behavior online is not optional, it's essential. By understanding prohibited actions, recognizing their consequences, and applying safety measures, we can maintain integrity and trust in all digital interactions. Remember, responsible digital citizenship benefits everyone.